For all those smartphone users who are obsessed with needing to know whether your messages have been read on WhatsApp, can now exhale a sigh of release. It has finally happened. WhatsApp now displays 2 blue lines when the recipient has seen your message.
If you are a WhatsApp user, you should see a small but useful change start rolling into the app. The app will now light up its double check marks blue when a message has been read. If the red receipts don't seem new to you, you're probably not alone. Many users have misinterpreted the double check marks next to messages to indicate that a message has been looked at, but that's not the case. In reality, the check marks simply mean a message has been received by the other user. The single check only tells you the message reached WhatsApp's servers.
The blue coloring is confirmation that indeed that person has read your messages, so there are absolutely no excuses as to why they aren't answering.